Alright, Backyard Foundry again. Just want to show off a little bit about burners here. This is for orders. As you can see, they're ready to go. There's one of my furnaces that's been done. Just got to get the lid sorted out. Let's go down here, and there are a few of the furnaces we're busy with for customers. There we go. So yeah, it's quite a lot of goodies. Oh, there's some tongs as well. More tongs. Oh, more tongs at the back there. And this 2K furnace that's just got to be touched up. It's basically ready to go. Some foam lighting needed to dry it out. But yeah, just thought I'd let you see, and hopefully you order from us. To order, contact us via email, backyardfoundry44@gmail.com. That's backyardfoundry44@gmail.com. Thank you. Oh, that's my dog, by the way.